In response to escalating anti-terror operations, the National Security Guard commandos are conducting joint anti-terrorism operations in the Jammu region alongside the Special Operations Group. As part of their preparation, NSG commandos are undergoing area familiarization training in Jammu. Elite forces are carrying out room interventions and area clearance. These are being carried out in the heart of Jammu city to thwart potential terror attacks in densely populated areas, with the SOG and NSG collaborating to strengthen security and prevent any further threats. These are the live visuals on your screens of the operation underway.
For the anti-terror operations in the Jammu region, the NSG along with the Special Operations Group are getting a specialized training that how they can thwart any act of terror. And right now we are in Jammu where the NSG is being trained along with the Special Operations Group. They are being made aware of the situation that can pertain, especially the hostage-like situation. And here you will see that with the sophisticated weapon and small weapons, they are carrying out the drills along with the Special Operations Group. And more commandos are now entering one after other because they want to make it very sure that every attempt of the adversary is given a befitting reply. And that's why not only on this side but on every nook and corner how NSG is moving in and out. These are the specialized commandos of the NSG that are carrying out the drills here. And I'll request Gaurav to keep showing you that after clearing one area, they are now moving to the other area. It's very important to tell that these are the specialized commandos of the National Security Guard that will now be part of the counter-terror operations in the Jammu region, and one after other they are entering each and every room so that they can secure these rooms and also they can secure the entire area. Apart, not only this is the this is the NSG, but also the Special Operations Group of the Jammu and Kashmir Police that is also part of these operations, because these are the joint operations that are being conducted by the Jammu and Kashmir Police along with the National Security Guard. And these SOG commandos, they are the ones who have fought the terrorism, who are well aware that how the terrorism is fought in Jammu and Kashmir. And now these joint operations that NSG is conducting along with the Special Operations Group, this shows that how each and every force is trying to ensure that adversary is given a befitting reply. And these operational trainings that they are undergoing are the ones that are making them aware of the circumstances, and especially those areas that can have some people or a situation can erupt where they can be detrimental. The terrorists can take over that area, and how these areas will be cleared. This is what the NSG commandos and the Special Operations Group of the Jammu and Kashmir Police, they are being now taught, and they are undergoing this drill here in the Jammu as the anti-terror operations intensified in the Jammu region.